What cigarette do you smoke? You'll be interested to know how the doctors of America answered that question. Tens of thousands of doctors in all parts of the country, in every state of the Union. Doctors in every branch of medicine were asked,
What cigarette do you smoke, doctor?
in this nationwide survey of general practitioners, surgeons, throat specialists, diagnosticians, and so on, the brand named most was Camel.
Yes, according to this survey, more doctors smoke Camels than any other cigarette. Try Camels yourself and see how well Camels agree with your throat, pack after pack, week after week. See for yourself why Camels are so popular with the doctors of America.
Listen, cigarette smokers, did you ever think of this before? Chesterfield is the only cigarette in the country which gives you 1, proof of highest quality. 2, proof of no adverse effects to the nose, throat, and sinuses. Now, this proof comes from the latest report, just received, covering a full 16 months. And it comes from a doctor who's been examining a group of Chesterfield smokers as part of a program supervised by a responsible, independent research laboratory. Now, after a full year and 4 months, the doctor reports again no adverse effects to the nose, throat, or sinuses from smoking Chesterfields. Now, don't you want to try a cigarette with a record like this? Chesterfield,